Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, there is an awesome opportunity for gig workers to make extra money, or really anybody, through a new program called TikTok Shop. So TikTok is really competing now with Amazon and eBay, and you can now buy items on the TikTok app, and you can now also sell items too, which is exactly what I'm doing. And in a single day, I made over $1,000 because I created a TikTok shop selling items, and you can do it too. Actually, anybody can do it. I didn't show my face. I really did this on a brand new account, so you don't need any experience or any followers. If you want to learn exactly how I did it and how I made over $1,000 in a single day on TikTok Shop, click the link below, and right now you can get a free trial when you sign up and join my community, my group chat. There's a 45-minute training there, so check that out. And now let's get started with the video. Okay, now we're taking a look at this. Is it possible to make $3K a week in LA doing Uber? Look at this.
74 online hours.
Yeah, I guess this guy. Oh, these are just. I was trying to look at the total overall. Uber drivers averaging 3K a week. Yeah, take a look at this. I guess this guy's making 3K a week in LA.
That's crazy.
You know, read this part.
Yeah, so someone in another thread was asking about how much people are making. I figured I would create a thread so everyone can show their weekly earnings if they choose. I drove down to LA from San Francisco for the month for a change of scenery, and seems to be an okay market to drive still, even though rates are lower than San Francisco.
Yep.
I hear people say that like the best place to drive Uber is like the Bay Area.
Yeah, but the cost of living is so ridiculously high there.
Yeah.
Like you can't live in San Francisco.
Yeah, I know someone who is a surgeon, and she still like needs a roommate. Like she can't afford her own place.
That's insane.
She's a surgeon.
Wow.
Yeah,
because how much
she should drive Uber instead.
She should drive Uber, because how much do surgeons make on average?
I think they make like $200K a year.
369K a year to 500K a year.
Wow.
So the average is $437,000 a year. Maybe she's a newer surgeon.
I think she still has a lot of like debt from medical school.
Oh, yeah.
And then plus the cost of living in San Francisco is so high that she just like...
Well, low key, if somebody who makes $437,000 a year in California on W-2 is getting taxed like crazy.
Yeah, they'll probably take home like 200 and something.
It's literally, I think it's around 50%, because and if you're W-2, you can't do like tax write-offs like if you own a business.
Yeah.
And you're paying federal tax, state tax. You're in the highest tax bracket, and you're like stuck with paying so much in taxes. So look at this. So she's making, let's say the average person, or the average surgeon, let's just say like 380K a year.
Yeah.
Divide by 2, you're making 190K per year, 190K. Divide that by 12, you're making 15K a month. Is that even still enough to buy a home in San Francisco? Probably not. Because if you're buying let's do a quick mortgage calculator. So let's say you buy, what's the average home in San Francisco? $2 million probably right now.
Probably.
So let's say your house is $2 million, 30-year fixed loan. Let's include taxes. Yeah, for sure, taxes. You're putting 20% down. You got to save up $500K. What's property taxes? 1%. Private mortgage insurance, 0. Homeowners.
You need to qualify for that with your income too, right? Like the loan, the mortgage.
Yeah. But like, let's say the surgeon, for instance.
Yeah.
Their monthly payment's $13K a month.
And their take home was around like $15K a month.
Yeah, after taxes and everything. So they can't even afford. I mean, they would have to, maybe even one. That's like half their income buying a $1 million house, which is in San Francisco. I don't even think there are $1 million homes.
Yeah, I'd probably have to be like a really shitty house or like a condo.
And your monthly payment is like half your income.
Yeah.
Which they might not even qualify you for.
Yeah.
That's insane. All right, I'm getting distracted here. Let's move on. People watching my show like, damn, Dylan has ADHD bad. We're talking about how to make $3K a week Uber. I'm talking about how searches can't afford to live.